Hello. In this session, we are going to learn how to integrate a EnableX iOS video conferencing framework with EnableX UI Kit framework in your application. For prerequisites, you must have iOS 12 and above. You must have a valid room token to join the room. Let's get started. Open Xcode, go to File, go to New, Project, and create a project. Choose the interface and choose the language. After successful app creation, open the terminal and go to the project directory. Once you have reached the project directory, add the pod library to your application. To add the pod, first hit command pod init in your terminal. After pod is initiated, go to your project file and open pod file and add the UIKit library as shown. After adding, install the pod. To install the pod, go back to terminal and hit the command pod install button. Once pod is installed successfully, your setup is all done now. Open your project as shown. So you need to disable the bitcode. To disable this, go to Project, Target, Setting, bitcode equal to false. Now, go to the controller on which the user wants to draw the video UI. Import the library. Create the object of EnableX Video View class. Now, go to the controller view method ViewDidLoad. Here, initiate the EnableX Video View class as shown. During initiate class, we need to pass the valid room token and set the delegates. After that, add EnableX Video View class to your parent view. Set the frame for the same as shown. You also need to set the constraint for EnableX Video View class as shown so that your UIKit UI will auto-render once orientation changes. Now, your UIKit View UI is added. Now, you need to add the observer for the same, so that you will get notified once room disconnect or any error occurs during join room. Disconnect callback. Connection error. Now we are all set to go. Thanks for watching and happy coding.